to cut on a CNC machine using the arrange function. So I click on arrange and I will select all my components. Then I'm going to go to envelopes, select a plane, which is going to be this XY plane. I'm going to give it a length of 96 inches and 48 inches. I'm going to, the grain direction is in the x-axis, which is correct. 0.75 inch border with 0.3 inches spacing between. Then I'm going to hit preview. And we'll see what happens. So parts are laid out. However, these components here, I would like to rotate them, two of them at least, three of them 90 degrees to have the grain pattern go in this axis. So this one, and this one. So I'm going to go to Objects, and I'm going to find the first one there, which is Side, and I'm going to, not that one, it's this one here. And I'm going to drag this 90 degrees, or 270, and I'm going to hit preview and wait for that to recalculate. Now it should rotate that part 90 degrees or 270 degrees, but it's not doing it. And we'll wait for it to calculate, and there the part did not change at all. I'll try a different one. Searching around for the next parts. There, so let's try rotating this one 90 degrees. Again, hit the preview, it recalculates, and we'll find that the part did not rotate as expected, despite having the grain axis turn 90 degrees. So that's my question. Thanks for your help.